This winter has been colder and longer than most years here in the South, and I have just been embracing the colder weather and making sure that I still get a bit of time to go on my nature walks and get some fresh air every day, even if it's just for a short 10 minutes. Winter just really made me go into hibernation mode. That and all of the tragedies going on in the world and in the country that I am currently in, the United States, it just feels like, in a way, being trapped, as if you feel like there's so much you want to do and so many ideas you have, but then when you really put things in perspective, it's this feeling of being stuck, as if there isn't really much that you can do. Spending time outside in nature, disconnecting a little bit from the outside world and connecting with yourself, with nature, with family, and just taking time to relax. It can feel like the world is so overstimulating, with so many different news, with so many different tragedies, with so much going on, not to mention everyone's day-to-day life. This winter, I have really been self-reflecting on what it is I want to share with others, especially here on social media. Really taking time to look a little bit at my past content and ask myself, am I proud of this? Is there anywhere that I need to improve? Do I see things differently? And really just taking a step back and looking at myself critically and just thinking about what I am putting out into the world. Not just what I feel called to share, but also how is it affecting others? Are there things that I stand for? And are there things that I refuse to stand for as well? Just really taking time, meditating on that, thinking about that when I hear certain conversations or when I'm talking with others. Where do I stand? And also connecting that to my social media. And as I was going through the clips of this video, I was really focusing on what I wanted to organize in this video, and even perhaps what sort of ideas I had to talk about. And I was on the fence with this video because I felt that I wanted to keep it casual and just talk about nature and just a little bit about the seasons, winter and early spring, which is what this video captures. On one hand, I also felt as if I wanted to make some sort of statement about everything happening in the world, not just here in the United States, but worldwide, and hopefully sharing a little bit of awareness, which I have done in a few past posts here on social media, not to spread negativity, but to bring awareness, thus hopefully healing and information that will be beneficial to others. We all live different lives. We all have different experiences. And I think it's very important that even when times are hard, we recognize that we can still be of service to others. We can take some time to be creative and inspire others around us, both in real life and via social media. I think it's really important to acknowledge that. There are times when we provide healing to others and we don't recognize it at that moment. Speaking of which, even thinking of AI, a lot of people are focusing on AI at this time, and yes, it is important to speak about it and have discussions regarding AI. But I think it's also important to remember that connecting with ourselves, connecting with fellow humans and animals, with this reality that we are in, and not just always escaping virtually. A question that I would like to leave you all with before I end this video, for you to journal about, to reflect on, meditate on, whatever resonates with you personally, is this: how can I be a force of healing? How can I be helpful to people via social media and in real life, whilst at the same time honoring and taking care of myself? I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.